Hey, cozy friends! It's Rhea, and today we're warming things up with one of my favorite ways to stay toasty in winter: soups. There's nothing better than a big bowl of hot, comforting soup on a chilly day. And the best part? They're super easy to make and packed with flavor. So grab your favorite mug or bowl and try 4 must-try winter soups that'll keep you warm all season long. First up, we have a classic creamy tomato basil soup. Perfectly rich, smooth, and packed with that cozy nostalgia we all love. Here's how to make it. Sauté 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of garlic until soft. Add 4 cups of canned tomatoes and a cup of vegetable broth. Let it simmer for 15 minutes. Blend until smooth, then stir in half cup of heavy cream or coconut milk for a dairy-free twist. Finish with fresh basil, a pinch of salt, and cracked black pepper. Next, we're making something extra cozy: hearty lentil soup. It's packed with protein, super filling, and perfect for meal prep. Here's how you do it. Sauté 1 chopped onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks until softened. Add 1 cup of lentils, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and 1 can of diced tomatoes. Season with cumin, paprika, and a dash of chili flakes for warmth. Simmer for about 25 minutes until the lentils are tender. All right, now for my favorite, creamy butternut squash soup. This one is smooth, velvety, and naturally sweet with a hint of warmth from spices. Here's the easy way to make it. Roast 4 cups of butternut squash with olive oil, add salt and pepper, and simmer for 25 minutes. Sauté 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of garlic in a pot. Add the roasted squash and 3 cups of broth. Blend everything until silky smooth, then stir in half cup of coconut milk for extra creaminess. Finish with a sprinkle of nutmeg and a drizzle of maple syrup. This soup is literally like a cozy hug in a bowl. Finally, if you're feeling under the weather or just want something super comforting, classic chicken noodle soup is the way to go. Here's how to make it in no time. Sauté 1 chopped onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks in a pot. Add 6 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of shredded cooked chicken, and let it simmer. Toss in 1½ cups of egg noodles and cook until tender. Season with salt, pepper, and fresh thyme for that perfect homemade touch. And there you have it. 4 delicious, cozy soups to keep you warm all winter long. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cozy, delicious ideas. Until next time, stay warm, stay cozy, and keep sipping, my friends.